So this is for name node, and this is for data node, and this is for Hadoop underscore store. So here we are specifying, or we are creating the directory, and we are specifying the path where it should be created for name node and data node. And here we have something called Hadoop underscore store. By executing all those three commands, we are set to, or we can go for the next one. So the next one would be to add the changes or do the changes in HDFS-site. So HDFS is Hadoop distributed file system. So within that we need to add some properties. Before adding, we need to open it. So for adding it, we need to execute this command. Sorry, yeah, for, let's copy this, let's paste it. Yeah, so once you open it, you will find the configuration tag empty, and here you need to add the properties. So here I have added the property, the name and the value and the description, and the name of the property is distributed file system dfs dot replication, and I'm specifying the value of the replication as 1. So as we are setting standalone systems, so the replication factor that we have kept is 1, but later on we can change it to some 2 or 3. And another property is dfs.name_node.name.dir, and we have specified the path which we have created. And another property name is dfs.datanode.data.dir, and the same we have specified the value for it. Once we have added these properties within the configuration tag, press Ctrl X and press Y for saving it. Once done, then we need to format the name node. So it should be done once only. So I have already done. So if you have completed all the things, so we are ready to go for formatting it. Execute this command for formatting it. Once we have formatted, then we are ready for starting all the services and writing the Hadoop application. So let me check whether right now I have like any services which are being running or not. So for checking it, you can write jps. So right now I don't have any services which is being running it, so I can issue this command for making all the services running it. So it says the script is deprecated, but still it will execute. So it is asking me the password. So password was something that I gave. So first one we started with name node, then let's give another pass another time. This time it is running the data node, or it's starting the data node. So every time the services that it will start or the things will be started, so it's like it will be prompting you for entering the password. So avoiding all those things, we can go with some alternatives. There is the concept of SSH, which we have, or I have not implemented it. So we can use it for avoiding those repetitive kind of actions which is being displayed, that is to enter the password. Yeah, so right now all the things has been started. Let's execute this jps, and here you can see we have data node, node manager, resource, jps, secondary, name node. So all the things has been started for us. To check whether Hadoop has been installed and what's the version, you can issue Hadoop hyphen version, sorry, Hadoop version. So it says that is 2.7.1. So this was like how to install Hadoop in Ubuntu machines. So initially we started with Java installation, then after that we created a group Hadoop, and within that group we added a user, then we set the path and we gave some privileges, that is for sudo. We extracted the Hadoop tar file, then we moved it into some different folder, we renamed it with Hadoop only. Then we went across the entire configuration files, and while configuration files we came across different XML files. We entered, we gave lot of properties within the XML files with, so that like the data node, node manager, name node, secondary name node, and the resource manager would work. And for starting all those components we executed the particular command, that was start hyphen all dot sh, okay, which starts all the services. And finally we, in order to check the version of Hadoop, you can write this program, or write this statement or the command, that is Hadoop version, which displays the version and like the jar file or the command which was being executed, and it shows or displays the command how you got this output. So thank you guys for listening and watching the video. So if you like it, please share it and give feedbacks.